Please join me and salute the flag. What a beautiful shot. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and I've had a lot of people ask me, what is the Jeep Wave program? So I did a little search on the history of the Jeep Wave. World War II, 640,000 Jeeps produced. At the end of the war, the military sold them, or the government sold them at surplus. So a lot of the soldiers liked the Jeep so much, they bought them at surplus, and they would see another one on the road, wave to whoever was driving it, figuring they were a veteran as well. So in 2015, Jeep came out with the Jeep Wave program, and it consists of some great stuff. I've got more content below, but 24/7 support through a dedicated member number, a live chat, oil changes and tire rotation, first day rental allowance up to $1,000 for trip interruption coverage, VIP treatment at a series of nationwide events featuring Jeeps and Jeep brand vehicles. And again, there's more information listed below. I just absolutely love this scene. The sky was so blue this day, the flag was waving, and the Jeep looked so great. It's a Willis edition. You know, the old timers in Toledo would call the Willys Jeep the Willis Jeep. That's where I got it. I was talking to a guy that was a Jeep guy in Toledo, Ohio, probably 10 years ago now, but had a great conversation.